Hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome to Trupti's Craft. My name is Trupti and I am paper quilling artist. How was your long weekend? I hope you enjoy your long weekend. Our long weekend was a busy one. We had two birthday parties which were at home only, and again we went for outdoor go-karting one day, and one day we just rested at home. We watched TV, we relaxed. So my weekend went like that only. I did not do any quilling in that 4 days. So I don't have that many things to show you. But I have one of my regular customer, which is local. She lives nearby me, Tina. She asked me to make one cross for her friend. So she wanted to give her friend as a spiritual gift, but she didn't wanted to use that Bible and heart thing, which is my original design. So she didn't wanted to use that design. She wanted to use some different design. So she asked me to do that one frame for her friend. I already did that frame, and you may see the picture of that frame in today's post. Yesterday, I finished the frame and I showed her a picture. She was just nearby, so she came and she took the frame with her. And she liked that frame uh, too much that she gave me two more frame orders. So I am going to make same frame, same color combination, but little bit different scrolls. I'm going to use little bit different scrolls in that cross. And I also got one order for the cross only, but it was from Etsy. It was the same design that I'm used, but it was with different colors. So Catherine wanted shades of red, sorry, shades of blue, green, and yellow in this uh, frame. And she already bought one cross from me in last month. She loved it, and now she wanted to give this cross for her daughter. So if you know someone who want this kind of cross, just let me know or let them know. You can share my page with them. And this cross is perfect gift for any occasion. So size of this cross is 5 by 7, uh, and it's very nice cross. And I can do customization. I can use different colors in each cross. And now today I'm going to show you uh, another flower, but this time again I'm going to use quilling comb. So this is quilling comb, but if you don't have quilling comb, don't worry, you can use your regular hair comb to make this flower. So let's start. Let me add my another camera so that you can see close up what I am doing. Let me add my another camera here. Okay, so I am going to use today I am going to use blue and white color. I already made some petals, but I will show you again. So I took one paper strip and quilling comb. So find the middle of the comb and just insert strip like this, and then wrap around next pin like this, and you have to make loop. Take this big strip around the next loop, sorry, next pin, and glue it like this. Hold it for a few seconds. I will remove it and I will show you how it will look like. So it's like this. So it will be one loop. Now I will put that loop again inside. Now what I'm going to do, so this big strip is on the bottom, so I'm going to take this strip up from the next pin and I'm going to wrap it like this, and I'm going to take this strip down from next tip, next pin like this, and I will show you downside like this. Flip it, so you can see here I'm going to wrap it, and again, so previously I wrapped around this pin, right? So now I am going to wrap around next pin like this. I will show you like this again, and then now I have wrapped around this pin. Now I am going to wrap around next pin. So like this, you have to wrap the whole strip in the next, around next pin. And now glue the end, hold it for a few seconds. Hi Preeti, how are you? Hold it for a few seconds. Now remove it carefully. So your loop will look like this. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take one white strip. You can choose any colors that you want. So this is the loop, right? I am going to hold the loop in the middle like this, and I am going to bend the ends like this, like this. Now I am going to wrap white strip around this loop. So glue, take little bit glue and wrap it around this strip. Wrap it around the petal like this. Wrap whole strip, or if you want, you can just wrap half strip. Cut excess strip and put glue. So your petal will look like this. I will show you one more time. Take one strip, find the middle, around the middle part of the comb, and insert strip like this. Fold it around the next pin and take big part above the next pin and put glue. Glue it and hold it for some time. Now you have to go around next pin like this. And you can see here. So here previously I wrapped around this pin. Now you have to wrap around next pin like this. Now turn around. Again same thing. Previously I wrapped it around this pin. Now you have to wrap it around next pin. So you have to wrap whole strip like this. And now glue the end, hold it for a few seconds, and then remove it. So again your loop will look like this, and hold the loop in the middle and fold it like this. And now take another color strip, or if you want you can use same color strip, and then put glue and wrap it. Wrap whole strip around it. And cut excess strip and glue it. So I already made few more petals, and just like any other flower we will glue these petals. Just put glue around each petal. Use pins so that petals will be secure. Glue another petal like this. Glue all petals. With this flower you can make magnet. You can use this flower on the greeting card, or you can decorate frames, or if you want you can make earring with this flower. So your flower will look like this. Now I'm going to make middle part. So for the middle part I made one tight coil. If you want you can use uh, half pearl, or if you have any chain you can use it. And now I'm going to remove the pins. Remember, hold your fingers like this and then remove pins, and then I'm going to glue this middle part like this. So this beautiful flower is ready. And if you want to give 3D look to your flower, what you can do, uh, let the flower dry a little bit, and then take flower and just hold it like this. Press it and hold it like this, or if you have any lid, small lid, you can use that small lid, or you can use this kind of circle sizer and just keep it and press it. Keep it like this, then you will have 3D effect to the flower, and let this dry completely. So your 3D flower will look like this. So your regular flower will be flat like this. You can see the difference. So this is flat and this is 3D. So I hope you enjoy seeing this flower, and I hope you will make these kind of creations. If you make something with by watching these videos, please don't forget to share the picture with me. I would love to see uh, the photos of your creations. And if you want to learn something, some special thing, you can always uh, request me. I will try to show you in next live. Again, thank you very much for joining it. And if you are watching replay, enjoy your replay and you can put the hashtag replay so that I will know that you watch the replay. So thank you. Bye. Good night.